Model, 52-plate Vauxhall Movano Dti 3500 long wheelbase, body, white, camper with a lovely Horning mileage, 177446 engine, 2187 cc 2.2 DTI transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Kitchen sink in good order, well spaced out camper, a lot of kit in the back. Windows all around, interior is average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.